Hi, Year 7. Welcome to Lesson 3. We've got a science experiment that we would like you to do. There are two that are coming up. You only need to do one of them. And please send us a picture of what it is that you've decided to do. You can upload it on Show My Homework. So the first one is quite a simple experiment. How to make a stethoscope. So what are they used for? They're used to listen to a person's heart, and you can make a very basic one easily. So the equipment you will need are a funnel, gaffer tape, a cardboard tube. If you don't have gaffer tape, I'm sure sellotape will work fine. So the method is there on the screen. Attach the funnel to the cardboard tube using gaffer tape. Place on a family member's chest and listen to their heartbeat. Please note it's not going to be accurate as a real one. We just want you to see whether you can hear their heartbeat. And then you can count how many times the heart beats in 1 minute. The stethoscopes are used by doctors and they consist of a chest piece, one or two tubes connected to two earpieces. The chest piece is made up of a diaphragm and a bell, which amplify the sound of the heart beating so that the doctor can hear it. There are some extension activities that you can do. How could you make this stethoscope better? What if you used a hose with a funnel at each end? That is, rather than using a cardboard tube. Or you use different sized funnels. Would these make a difference? Which one do you think would work best? And what happens to your heart rate if you jump up and down for a few minutes? The second experiment that you can do is building a catapult. You will need a popsicle stick or a lolly stick. You will need elastic bands, table tennis balls, and other items to test. You need double-sided tape, a milk bottle top, or you can use a drink bottle's top, and tape measure is optional. Health and safety, be careful not to aim it at people and do not put sharp objects in the catapult. Okay, hopefully the video played well. If not, there is a link that you can type in and you can watch it again. Have a look at the method on the screen. If you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, it shows how making this catapult has been improvised. So if you don't have all the equipment, you can still make something. And on the next screen as well, let's go to it. This shows how a catapult has been made from Lego. So if you do not have lolly sticks, you can improvise using other things. For those who want extra challenge, you can change the design, you can change the item being catapulted, and you can measure how far you can make the ball travel. The idea of you making a catapult or making a stethoscope is just for you guys to have fun in this last week. You do not need to send in loads and loads of work. Just send us a picture of what it is that you have done. And if you want to add more information, please feel free to do so. You don't need to do both experiments. You only need to do one. If you want to make both, feel free to do so. We hope you enjoy doing these experiments or doing one experiment.